Very good. Great work, Rigor.
Salamat po, ma'am.
Salamat. Well, then, let's make sure this leaks out to the press na hindi matitrace na sa atin ang galing. And probably, Hannah, you could edit some of the stuff to make her look more, you know.
Ako na pong bahala dyan, tita.
Ma'am.
Okay. Nothing. Well, let me explain. It's,
You better explain. If you're saying nagsisinungaling talaga si Joyce, ano kailangan gawin yan? Ano siya kailangan siraan?
Well, she started it, Lawrence. She's projecting herself to the media na siya yung victim, eh hindi naman totoo. So we're just making the people know who she truly is.
It's unbelievable.
Huwag mong sabihin na mas pinapaniwalaan mo yung babaeng yan kaysa sa akin. O sa amin ng daddy mo.
Sa totoo lang, I don't think Joyce is lying. I mean, Mom, why would she lie? Don't give me that campaign crap. You and I both know it's not true. So I'm gonna ask you again. Why are you doing this? Are you scared? Are you scared nagsasabi siya ng totoo?
Okay, I'll admit, hindi ako naniniwalang hindi makakasira sa plano ko yung babaeng yun. And that's why I'm doing this. But look, Lawrence, this woman is crazy. Baliw yung babaeng yan and she can make up stories. She can invent anything na makakasira sa amin ng daddy mo. Lawrence. Lawrence!